In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a list ID in ClickUp. If you ever need to connect ClickUp with another tool, set up an integration, or enter a specific list reference somewhere, knowing how to locate the list ID can be really useful. The good news is that it's very quick to find once you know exactly where to look. Start by opening ClickUp and going to the workspace where your list is located. If you have access to more than one workspace, just make sure you're in the correct one before moving forward. That way you won't accidentally grab the ID from the wrong list. Once you're in the right workspace, use the sidebar in ClickUp to navigate to the correct location. You'll want to move through the space, then the folder, and then the list you want to get the ID for. Take a moment here to confirm that you're opening the exact list you need, especially if you have multiple lists with similar names. After that, click on the list to open it. This is important, because the list ID appears in the web address for the specific list you're viewing. If you're not actually inside the list, the URL may not show the information you need. Now look at the address bar at the top of your browser. In the ClickUp URL, look for either /l/or/li/. Right after that section, you'll see a string of numbers. Those numbers are your list ID. For example, if the URL contains /li/123456789, then 123456789 is the list ID. You don't need to copy the rest of the link unless another tool specifically asks for the full URL. In most cases, it's just the number you need. Once you've found it, select only the numbers that appear after /l/or/li/. Then, right-click and choose Copy. You can also use your usual keyboard shortcut to copy if that's faster for you. And that's it. You can now use that list ID in ClickUp integrations or any other tool that requires it. Just be careful to copy the number exactly as it appears, without any extra characters or spaces. Thanks for watching.